In order to make the skirt, I folded the mesh fabric and start cutting. Rolling one strip, I tied a knot around the elastic belt and do this repeatedly for the rest of the fabric. With an upcycled dress and a yard of floral lace trim, I cut the lace trim and strategically place on the dress so it can be sewn. Moisturize the skin, prime the face. It is important that I map out the design with a brow pencil and I won't worry with the mess. I start coloring in my face with the cream color with a sponge for intense finish. I'm using the shade Pale and carefully going into the corners. Next, I layer my whole face in metallic glitter. To create the balls and inflamed skin, I mix SFX cream color in red and brown. I added in SFX cream color in black for shadow and depth. To create more shadows, I use the brow powder in shade number 15. White liquid liner helps with the highlighting of my inflamed skin. Next, I fill my crease and brow area with Perfect Filter Rustic Antique palette in brick red color. It is time to start with my neck and chest area. I'm repeating my neck and chest like I did for my face. Now that I have strictly fine lip gloss shade Bad Girl on my lips, I use Liquid Suede lipstick shade Alien on my teeth to give a dirty old look. After coloring in my neck and my chest, I poured the metallic glitter all over. Using glitter in Lumilight, I carefully layer it on my lashes. Right now, I'm using shade number 9. I had my wig on and I start spraying L'Oreal Colorista spray in grey hair at the roots to blend in with the wig. This is the finished look as the plague for the first challenge. Thanks for watching and do vote for me!